industry, chemical industry, hardware industry. As a professional packing machine manufacturer, we solved problems of packaging and increased the efficiency of production for customers. With the market spreading over Europe, America, Africa, and Asia, our products are exported to more than 40 countries and regions all over the world. Our service covered technical consultation, project design, online assist, oversee installation, and long-time guarantee. Our company takes the leading technology, advanced research, and perfect service as support, constantly improve the product quality with the spirit of innovation and the attitude of excellence. Based on the people-oriented and integrity-first management philosophy, the company is becoming a reliable and creative enterprise. We sincerely hope to cooperate with you to open up a new intelligent packing industry world.